Good morning, everyone. This is First Learners Channels. We are supposed to change students' attitudinal disposition towards loving mathematics. We do that with ease, and we have a lot of past questions that we need to tackle. This particular series is for students that are writing common entrance. I want them to follow me keenly, and I bet you at the end of the day, they shall all come out in flying colors. Thank you as you follow me. All right. We have another question that says a cylinder has a height of 10 meters and a radius of 5 meters. What is its volume? The volume of a cylinder is pi r square h. We have given the pi to be 22/7. Then the radius is 5 square, while the height is 10. This is still going to give us 22 multiplied by 5 times 5 times 10 divided by 7. If you multiply all this together and divide it by 7, your answer will be 785.5. Don't forget the question says volume. Volume is always in meter cube. If it is centimeter, it will be centimeter cube. Yes, we have another question that says if the sum of two numbers is 15 and their difference is 3, what are the two numbers? Let's represent the two numbers to be A and B. The first statement says A plus B is 15, while this last part says A minus B is 3. This is equation 1, this is equation 2. From equation 2, A is also equal to 3 plus B. What did I do? I made A subject of formula and I transfer this B. After crossing this equal to, the value of B, the integer, will change to plus. That is what I have done. This is equation 3. Now, I've been able to get the value of A, although the B is still yet unknown. The wisest thing I can do now is to carry this value and use it to replace A, because A is equal to 3 plus B. I can still use equation 2. I can also use equation 1. As the spirit leads, you put it and you get the answer. So let me use equation 1. Let me substitute A in equation 1. Now my A is 3 plus B. Let me put it here. 3 plus B, then plus B equal to 15. Now we have B as the only unknown. So this is going to be 3 plus 2B, because B plus B is 2B, is equal to 15. Now 2B will be equal to 15 when it cross, because this is plus. When it cross this equal to, it will turn to minus 3, which is equal to 12. then we have 2b. We are looking for b, so we are going to divide this by 2, divide this by 2, and this one will now give us b equal to 6. We have been able to get b, so to get a will be simpler. Now let's substitute this value of b in equation 1. Our b is what? 6, which is equal to 15. So a will be 15 minus 6, which is what? 9. So the two values, the two figures are 9 and 6. And if you want to check, you can check. If the sum of a and b is 15, but when you subtract it, 9 minus 6 is 3. So we are right. Thank you very much. We have a question that says a rectangle has a length of 12 centimeter and a width of 8 centimeter. What is area? Like I normally say, the width is always given to probably convince the candidate. So, but the area of a rectangle is always length times breadth. So we have been given the length, the breadth is the width. So it's going to be, which is 12. The length is what? 12. And the breadth is what? 8. If you multiply these together, it will give you 96. Don't forget, it's area. So it's going to be centimeter square. Our number 9 question says, the ratio of boys to girls in a class is 4:3. If there are 28 students in the class, how many boys are there? How many boys are there? So, this is boys to girls, and the ratio of boys is 4, while the girls is 3. When you are faced with this particular question, what you're going to do is, if you want to get the value of boys, you will say 4 over the addition of the 2, which is what? 7. Then multiply by 28 students. That is for boys. But if it is girls you want to get, you say, because girls ratio is 3 over the total number, which is what? 7, multiplied by the total number of the ratio, then multiply by the total number of the students. This is for girls. But the question says, how many boys are there? So we are going to focus our energy on this. Now, to solve this is very simple. 7 here, 1. 7 in 28 is 4. So when you multiply 4 and 4, you get 16. So the number of boys are 16. For you to check if what you are doing is right or wrong, this is not part of the question. The answer is 16, but for us to double check, you can also do this thing here. When you divide it, it's going to give us what? 4. If you multiply this and this, it will give you 12. If you add this one and this one, it will give you 28. Let's add 12 and 16. The number will be what? 28. So the answer is what? 16. Thank you. If 25% of x is equal to 40, what is the value of x? If 25%, 25% can be written like this, of x, of means times, is equal to 40. What is the value of x? It's very simple. You can do like this. 25 here, 1, 25 here, 4. Then we have x all over 4 equal to 40. 1 times x is x. So what we can do is to make x the subject of the formula by doing cross multiplication, which is going to be 40 times 4, which is going to be what? 160. Simple.